Guys, during this video I will be showing you how to make a cornbread while using cornmeal and these ingredients. In a large bowl, you want to mix in the dry ingredients. Okay, I've preheated the oven to 425. While I'm melting the oil, I will mix in the rest of the ingredients. Mix this very well until smooth. Okay, I do want to say that if you want this to be more like Jiffy cornbread, you would add more sugar. Okay, make sure to blend it in very well. Should be this smooth. Make sure to get in these corners of the bowl. Okay, I'm going to make it in this pan. Spread a little bit and pour your mixture in. Okay, now it's time to put this in the oven for about 20 to 23 minutes. I honestly didn't notice I didn't have the lights on in my kitchen until now. Okay, so it's in the oven and I'll see you in about 21 minutes. Okay, I have about 6 minutes left on the clock and it's rising pretty nicely. Okay, so it's been about 21 minutes and I had to make sure it's not done. Okay, I did the test. As you can see, I stuck it in this area and it started oozing out. So it didn't come out clean yet. It needs another couple of minutes. I set the timer for 21 minutes. So I guess it needs that extra 2 minutes in order to bake. And you have to also notice that this is a thick loaf. It's compact. It looks like it's not a lot of cornbread, but it's actually thick in size. See that? So it takes just a tad longer in order to completely cook throughout. As you can see, the cornbread is done. It may look like it's not. Remember, that's where I oozed it out before. But you go into another area, you push in, and you come out, and it should be clean. It looks a little wet, so I'm gonna give it maybe another minute. But I could turn the oven off at this point. It's pretty much done. The heat from the oven will continue to bake this enough for it to be completely done in a minute. You can see the dish is complete.